These fish aren't dumb. They just don't expect you to have a loaded spear gun in your hand. While some fish are extremely wary of humans, others will happily swim right up to you. And spearfishermen, like myself, often confuse this behavior with being either dumb or smart. But in reality, they just haven't evolved to be afraid of us. Unlike the bow and arrow, modern high-powered spear guns are a new invention. And so, while humans have been flinging arrows at land mammals for tens of thousands of years, we've only been firing these rubber-powered underwater crossbows for a few decades. And this fish, unfortunately, has no idea about our new cutting-edge technology, making them a pretty easy target. And because they're so easy, I don't usually like to hunt them, but sometimes I just can't resist. And although they are tasty, the fact that they're so easy to catch makes them just a little less delicious than their other, more elusive underwater neighbors.